So you already know how to backflip. It looks something like this. Let's fix that. And stay tuned, because I'm gonna be giving tips that you don't see anywhere else. I've gotten a few comments asking how to improve your backflip. And when I say tuck tight, I'm not exaggerating. Full tuck all the way. And I don't mean just grab and pull up a little. I mean grab, pull up to your chest. Let me show you how low I can backflip just by having a tight tuck. Look at that. So the key to a tight tuck, don't grab up here, because then when you pull in, your foot is still gonna come out. Key is to grab right in the middle of your shin. That way, when you pull in, it closes that gap. So let me show you a backflip with a bad tuck and then a backflip with a good tuck. I don't know why that was actually kind of good. I had so much more time to open up and so much more room to land. Next is the set. Set obviously with your chest as high up as possible. You want to feel your chest lift up before you flip. So like, just stay on the ground and practice jumping with your chest up, your arms going up, and try to land in the same place. That's how you're gonna get all your height to backflip. You don't want to set like this, because then you're just gonna go straight back and get no height. So let me show you a backflip with a good high set with my chest up, arms up, versus bad set. See the height difference? The next step is imagine your toes shooting up to the sky as you're setting. So don't just set like this and then flip. Set with your leg go up. As you're setting, your leg should already be coming up, and that's how you're gonna get good rotation. So don't think of it like set and then backflip. Think of it like set while you backflip. So when I do this backflip, I'm gonna think of getting as high as I can, my chest as high as I can, while shooting my toes to the sky. By the time you're at your peak, you're already like halfway through the flip, kind of. Now the next step, your arm swing is way more important than you might think. You have a rope with a weight, right? You throw it and it pulls you, right? That's exactly what you want to do with your arms. You throw them up as hard as you can and it pulls you up and around. It matters a lot more than you think. So really throw your arms as up and fast as you can. Here's an example. I didn't even get a good tuck on that. Also, the thing is, once your backflip gets really high, you're gonna start needing less and less of a tuck, otherwise you're just gonna over-rotate to your back. Me personally, when I backflip, I don't tuck fully tight as I can every time, because I'd over-rotate and die. Now, the number one thing I'd say to improve your backflip is pure strength. Technique can only get you so far to where you just have to jump higher. If you can only jump like this high, or you can jump bare minimum for a backflip, that's fine. You just need to build up more strength. And the key to that is to just spam backflips. Do more and more backflips, and eventually you'll get stronger in each aspect of a backflip. The more backflips you do, the better they'll get, just naturally. Just gotta keep doing them, you'll build strength, I promise. Another way to build strength is basic leg workouts. For example, squats. Squats are good. You can do them with weight. You could do squat jumps. And if squats are too easy for you and you don't have any weights, you could do one-legged squats. Bonus tip, if your backflips look like this, that's really bad. You do not want to throw your head back and arch your back like that. That's gonna make it really hard to tuck, and you're also gonna tuck a lot later. Look at something in front of you, whether it's a wall, whether it's like the sky, a tree, whatever. You wanna look at it for as long as you can. Currently there's like a big bush in front of me. I'm gonna look at it for as long as I can. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite variations of backflips. Starting with a cheat gainer. And then we have backflip layout. Next is stall backflip. Here are some slow-mos of studying exactly how I do my backflips.
Out up in the studio, I punch myself to sleep. Oh, asking what's the smell, I told the bitch it's broccoli. Told her I got 5 of hers and now they been not fond of me. I don't need sleep, I just make music, then I stream again. Run up 40 on these niggas, coach like why you leaving me? New Balenci jacket, yeah, the inside is beaver skin. Let them do that talking, I can't ever fucking beef with them. Had a regular bitch, I swear to God I cannot be with them.